Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for ways to make money from home, today's video is for you. In this video, we are diving into 3 amazing data entry jobs that can help you earn a steady income online. If you're ready to start working from the comfort of your home, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and don't forget to turn on notification bell so you never miss a video packed with tips to help you make money online. Let's jump in. First up, we have dataannotation.tech. This platform offers flexible remote data entry opportunities for those looking to make money online. The main job here is to work on data annotation, which involves labeling and categorizing data to train machine learning models. It's a great way to start earning because you don't need any specific qualifications, just attention to detail and the ability to follow instructions. To get started, all you need to do is sign up on their website, fill out your profile, and you can start working right away. To get started with data annotation, you need to go to their homepage, click on Get Started. And this is the process. You first of all create an account using your email and phone number. Step 2, take the starter assessment. Take your time on the assessment. This is your ticket into their platform. Then step 3, complete engaging tasks. You choose what work you do and when you want to do it. Then step 4, you get paid weekly. Withdraw your earnings at your convenience through PayPal. It is 100% remote. You work from anywhere you choose. They have flexible schedule. Choose your own schedule. You start right away. Work is immediately available once approved onto the platform. Guaranteed pay. They pay competitive hourly rates that reflects your expertise and effort. So I do want to point out that it takes a bit of time for you to get in, but if you get in, you will start earning as soon as possible. Dataannotation.tech also offers a variety of tasks, so you can choose what interests you the most and work at your own pace. The pay is competitive and depending on the complexity of the task. You can earn anywhere from $5 to $25. The best part, the more tasks you complete, the higher your earning potential. Before we move on to the next platform, if you're excited to start your online data entry journey, drop a comment below saying, "I'm ready," and let's get this hustle started. Now, let's talk about skillmentees.com. Skillmentees offers a wide range of data entry jobs, including jobs like data cleansing, data transcription, and data organization. Whether you're looking to assist in curating databases or sorting through information, Skillmentees has a lot to offer. The platform is easy to use. You can create an account, complete a quick skills test, and start applying for jobs right away. The pay on Skillmentees varies, but you can expect to make anywhere from $10 to $30 per hour, depending on your experience and the task complexity. What's even better, they offer flexible hours, so whether you are a night owl like me or an early riser, you can find work that fits your schedule. This platform is perfect for anyone looking to gain experience in data entry or build a long-term online career. Are you enjoying these platforms so far? Make sure to like this video and share it with anyone you know who's looking for work from home opportunities. We are just getting started. Last but definitely not least, we have Talent Catch Pro. This platform focuses on virtual assistant tasks, including data entry details like organizing spreadsheets, managing clients' information, and updating databases. Talent Catch Pro connects you with companies that need your help with all sorts of admin tasks, which means you can work with multiple clients and boost your income. The platform allows you to work on short-term and long-term projects, which gives you the flexibility to choose your workload. What's great about Talent Catch Pro is that they offer project-based pay. So You can earn money after completing a task or a set of tasks. The pay rate generally ranges from $10 to $50 per task, depending on the project's complexity and duration. If you're already thinking about signing up for Talent Catch Pro, don't forget to check out the link in the description box below to get started. And don't forget to let me know in the comments which platform you think you will try first. So there you have it. 3 data entry platforms: dataannotation.tech, skillmentis.com, and Talent Catch Pro, where you can start earning money from home today. Each of these platforms offers flexible work, competitive pay, and the opportunities to grow your skills. Whether you're a beginner or have some level of experience, there's something for everyone. I know that a lot of you struggle to get jobs from abroad due to location. So what you can do for yourself is to get a VPN. VPN will allow you to be able to apply to jobs outside your country and get paid in dollars. So I will leave a link to a VPN in the description box below so that you can access it. Use it to sign up, then start applying for jobs. Sometimes location is a barrier to people in Africa, so VPN is your best bet. If you're ready to dive into these data entry jobs, be sure to check out the links in the description box. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with friends who could use these tips. And of course, leave a comment telling me which platform you're going to try first. Remember, making money online is all about starting somewhere. Whether it's data entry, transcription, or another job, take the first step today and you will be on your way to working from home. Happy earning! Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.